What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. It has been a while since we've recorded anything, since we've really done anything. I've been gone for a couple weeks and we haven't done anything to the bikes. Our bike has been just sitting here basically naked, waiting to get put back together. But as you can see, now we have a wrap. We're going to be wrapping her tank. When we first initially got all the pieces, all the fairing pieces, we thought that we were going to get a whole black tank piece, right? Since I have a CBR300R, I thought that this was the same. You're just going to get a whole tank cover, but no. This is actually all you get. Now, problem with that is, the bike is, we're converting it to black, but then the whole tank stays red. So this is about all it covers. So I'm going to be attempting to wrap her tank in black. We'll see how this goes. It looks simple, but we all know it's not. But anyways, guys, we're going to see what we can do. We're going to see how we do here, and hopefully it turns out nice, because I'm ready to get her bike put back together so we can go and go riding and stuff. So hope you guys enjoy this video of me attempting to do this for the essentially first time. It's been so long since I've wrapped anything, so I'm just gonna call it as the first time, especially doing it all by myself. So hey guys, enjoy. So far I've cleaned the tank with alcohol, I've measured it, and I cut out the pieces, as you can see, just laying there. So my plan is, from what I've watched in other YouTube videos, is I'm going to start from this part right here, lay it over, and slowly work all the way down. Most of these pieces and sides of the tank, like all this right here, is going to be covered anyways, along with most of the front piece of the tank. But I'm still going to do as best as I can and just bring that wrap all the way down, just to make sure there's, it looks good. So all of the vinyl right over here, unfortunately, it's like inside of the paint. That sounds stupid. It's not inside of the paint, it's under the clear coat. So I can't take this piece out, unfortunately. So we're just gonna have to wrap over it. I'm debating on taking these off because I feel like this is gonna show. So I think I am gonna take all that off from the tank first. But yeah, it's all cleaned up and ready to go. So I'm just gonna take these two off so it doesn't show, and we'll get to it. Alright guys, so we took off the little stickers on there, used some Goo Gone to get all the nasty sticky stuff off, and we're actually gonna work the other way. We're gonna work from the top all the way down, and then we're gonna push and slowly get it in there like that. Here we go. So I got what I feel like is probably the hardest part, just getting it overlaid on top. Now I just gotta pull this, get it to the side, and then slowly work my way down. Haven't really been using the heat gun, kind of just trying to figure this out. It's definitely a lot stickier than it seems. So just working on that now. So far, this is where I'm at. I've got the right side of the tank wrapped. I messed up at the front here. I didn't give myself enough wrap. Give myself too much in the back. It's fine. So I'm gonna have to touch that up. Only a little piece of that will be visible, the red, so I'll grab another piece and cover it up. This is what we've got so far done, and just working on the left side now. Definitely a lot harder than I anticipated, but it's fun. You know, as long as you've got the patience, I think wrapping pieces of your bike is doable. This is my first time doing it, so like I said, give it my all. I'm feeling a bit defeated. Like I said, I did the right side fairly well, I feel like, for my first time. Besides that, and come over to the left, and I have put a hole on one of these, and for some reason I just cannot figure out the left side. I think I've applied too much heat to it to where the film top is just messed up. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I have enough film to do more, so I'm either gonna rip the whole thing apart or maybe think about doing this in pieces. I'm not sure, but I'll let you fill you guys in here soon. All right, so I had to take the whole thing apart and had to put a whole new piece on, and my wife is out here helping me. We're tag teaming this to get it done. We're on the last part of it, and I will show you the finished product once it's done. Tag teaming the bike. That sounds sexual, right? Okay. All right, so we've got most of the tank done. Now we just have to trim the bottom pieces and the gas tank cover. Once I cut a little piece of that, we're gonna heat it up and I'm gonna fold it in there. Then we'll cut the bottom, apply a little bit of heat to the whole thing just to make sure that it's stuck on there. And then we'll slowly start cutting out the Velcro pieces and the holes for the actual tank cover. Trying to do these like the pros that I've seen on YouTube. The problem is you get these little knives from Amazon that aren't the best. Okay, now it's cut. What I'm gonna do again from other YouTubers. Now they can't see. We can do a little bit of that. Slight wrinkle. Prepare myself. Put that up. Yeah. I know you want to try to be the one to give heat. I wonder if it's just easier to do that. Yeah, so much easier. See, what's the point of these stupid tools? It's so much easier.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Okay, but what about this? Are you gonna do this?
No, absolutely not.
What the heck?
It's covered.
Wow, what am I paying you for?
You know? Alright, now we watch though. When you put this in there, it covers the whole thing.
Nice.
It's like you only will be able to tell me to put gas in, but like,
okay. Super unprofessional.
who cares, right? It's just you. You know?
Wow. So I'm not good enough for that?
What?
I'm not good enough to have my insides covered?
Nasty. Okay. What's up, guys? So I realized that I completely forgot to give you an update on the tank wrap. So here is the finished wrap. I think we did a pretty good job on most of it. Few little areas. Actually, now that I've seen, it's kind of lifting down here. There we go. That's a quick fix. I'm not sure why that's lifting, but little areas right here at the bottom where I left some lines. For the most part, I think I did the right side the best. Come over to the left side, you can see a little bit more imperfections on the wrap where I just couldn't get it down. Not sure why. I struggled a lot with the left side compared to the right, but you know, it was about $60 to get the material. I still have a whole lot more left. And yeah, guys, it came out great. It was fun to do. It was a little stressful at times. There's a little more imperfections right here.